On the 28th of July 1944, V-1 is launched. As a new day breaks, its target is London. But just as the crew of Lancaster EM-U believe their long night is coming to an end, it is about to be violently interrupted. With the V-1 approaching its optimum speed of 400 mile an hour and the Lancaster at a cruising speed of 190 mile an hour, the bomb, packed with 850 kilograms of amateur high explosive, is closing fast. It's confirmed. The rear gunner, Sergeant Marriott, knows exactly what this telltale flame is. It is a V-1 diver, and it is closing the gap rapidly. The V-1 is accelerating all the time as it tracks towards the British mainland. As these two weapons of war become in sight of each other, by a staggering coincidence, they are locked on the exact same heading: west, north, west. Through the perspex, Sergeant Marriott reconfirms: not a fighter, a diver, on an automated deadly course for the capital city. Above the cockpit noise of the Merlin engines, the flight engineer has relayed a message that a diver has been spotted by the rear gunner below.
Right, it's definitely a V-1, and it's closing in on us fast.
Diver, port quarter below. I'm going to have a crack at it, skipper.
The skipper reacts instantly. He slams the throttles through the gate into full combat power.
Right, I'm giving you everything she's got. Get him, knock that bastard down.
4 Merlin engines answer with a rising roar. The airframe shudders, pushing over 280 miles per hour, the absolute limit of the Lancaster's endurance. Reaching 18 pounds of boost on all 4 engines, the bomber sprints to buy time for the rear gunner to find his mark on this deadly gyroscopic clockwork menace. Tracking an accelerating target against the glare of the sea is a marksman's nightmare. Sergeant Marriott steadies his sights. Calculating a long port deflection shot won't be easy. The tail gunner knows he is only going to get a few chances at best. It has to count. The young gunner, relying on his training, takes a deep breath and unleashes the Lancaster's rear guns. 4 Browning machine guns bark at a combined rate of 5,000 rounds per minute. The bullet stream flies down to its target.
By God, I'm hitting him with everything.
The first stream of bullets streak out on their way down to the target, but they miss, slicing through empty air as the V-1 surges ahead. Sergeant Marriott knows this last stream of bullets is his last chance. He unleashes the Brownings again.
Go on, Jim.
V-1 is gaining speed and will pass them within seconds.
Hit it.
If it slips past the guns, it'll be a tough job for anything to stop it. A direct hit, the V-1 lurches as gunfire rips through its body, shredding its wing clean off. It spirals out of control into the channel, erupting in a violent explosion. The once thought impossible has been achieved, and the Lancaster crew know it. They pulled off an outstanding feat, previously believed to be within the reach of only fighters or ground artillery. It really was an incredible achievement of teamwork and skill. The skipper reins in the 4 Merlin engines, back to normal operating speed. They have earned their pints tonight, especially the gunner Sergeant Marriott for his excellent marksmanship. But just a short while later, while on a gardening operation in Denmark, they were to take their final fateful flight. The crew, aboard a different Lancaster EM-M, at around 2100 hours, their aircraft was attacked by a German night fighter and caught fire. Despite the chaos inside the Lancaster, the crew made every mine safe, which were jettisoned by parachute and fell near the Danish village of Lastrup without exploding. By making the mines safe, the crew spared many on the ground, though their own aircraft fell in flames, with all lives lost. They are buried in Lastrup churchyard, central Jutland, Denmark, and are commemorated on a memorial in the church, where their graves are still tended to this day. We hope you enjoyed our video, so why not comment, like or subscribe, and follow us on Facebook. Thank you.